Hello, I am xLights. I have made up this page and had to do different styles of matrix calculators, the eyeballs and that of the 49ers across, future matrices. And at the end, I'll show you how to make an X model to import into xLights. Well, let's get started. First, after you come to my page, and the first thing you want to do is the number of maximum pixels that you want to per port. We'll say 500. Hit next. How many pixels across? We'll try 49. Next. We'll say 16. Hit next. This will generate this part, which is how many pixels in it you want on each port. In the drop down, it shows how many ports, how many pixels will be on each port. And for save, we want to use 4 ports. Hit 4, hit next. Then you scroll down, and this will be the information we need for xLights, which would be a horizontal, 4 ports, which is number 4 strings. Number per port would be 196, and it's transfer ports 4. Now let's go to xLights and plug in that information. We start with drawing our matrix. I always suggest making this a better name, but for right now, I'm just going to leave it as matrix. Let me bring this over so I can see my information. Number of strings is 4. Nodes per string. Don't forget to hit tab or enter or change fields. 196. And 4. This is how you basically set up a regular matrix. But if you need to make a custom model, come back over here, highlight everything in this bluish color. Hit copy. Go to Notepad++ or even just plain Notepad. Paste that information in. Hit File, Save or Save As, because it always comes to the same. I'm going to make this into my xLights folder. And I'm using my test folder for all this information. I also made up a folder called Models. Let's double click on him. And let's give him a name. Matrix. And do not forget the extension X models. Hit save. Do you want to overwrite it? Because I already have an existing one, but that's okay. We'll hit yes. Now we'll close this out. Now we'll bring up xLights. And to import that custom model, we have to come over to import, draw your model, and we need with matrix xLights. Click OK. Now we have all the information. Now, if we want to divide that up to 5 ports, individual strands, and you could change your numbers according to what you need to on these numbers. Strings, like strand 1 starts at 1, channel 1, or pixel 1. Strand 2 starts at 157, and so on and so forth. Thank you, and hopefully this information was helpful.